Hey there, how are you? Have you ever deleted a flow when you didn't mean to? Well, I have, and it's one of those moments when you start yelling at yourself. But don't fret, you can get it back. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through restoring a deleted flow. A funny thing about this video is that I found out that what I had used previously is not really working now. The plan was to list flows as admin and include soft deleted flows. Soft delete means your flow is kept in a deleted state for 21 days. After getting that list, I planned on identifying the flow to be restored and use the restore deleted flow as admin action. So Power Automate flows to restore a fellow flow. What I found out is that the v2 of this list flows as admins didn't show my deleted flow. For some reason, I had to enable pagination and set a threshold so it would show in the list. If someone knows why this has to be this way, please comment. And then I discovered that the restore deleted flows as admin action, this one here, couldn't find my flow and consequently couldn't restore it. And so I turned to PowerShell. Let's get to it. Delete the flow. Now, let's run. Okay, let's run this one. The list flow as admin. And then copy the output and paste it into something like Visual Studio Code. And you need to get two values from here. You need to get the name of the flow here, and then you need to get the name of the environment here. Then start a PowerShell elevated session. There it is. And run this command to log in. And after logging in, run this one to restore your flow, and the values you got, they are here: environment name and FlowName. And let's do a refresh here. And your flow is back. I'll leave a link to the official documentation on this in the description, so take a look at it. Well, I had fun troubleshooting this one. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon!